Hello everyone and welcome to Kiru's online lectures. I am Kiraj Jamtani and today's topic is arithmetic progression. So in this chapter we'll be studying introduction, what is AP, general term of the AP, selection of the terms in an AP, sum to n terms of an AP, properties of AP, insertion of arithmetic means and applications of AP. In this part 1 we are going to study about the introduction of AP, that is arithmetic progression, and general term of AP. Coming on to its introduction. So a sequence is called AP if the difference of a term is always same. Now let's suppose I am provided with a sequence that is 1, 4, 7, 10. So this is AP. Over here if we see first term is 1. The common difference, that is second term minus first term, 4 minus 1 3, 7 minus 4 3, 10 minus 7 3. Since common difference is same, therefore this sequence is known as arithmetic progression, or we call it as AP. Another example we have 11, 7, 3, minus 1. Now in this sequence if we see second term minus first term, 7 minus 11 is minus 4, 3 minus 7 is minus 4, minus 1 minus 3 is minus 4. Again the difference, the common difference, that is minus 4. First term which is represented by A is 11. Hence, if the common difference is same, so the sequence is said to be in AP. Coming on to the question, now we have a sequence which is defined by an equal 4n plus 5 is an AP. We are provided it is an AP, so we have to find its common difference. So an is 4n plus 5. So in place of n, we will write 1. So we will get first term 4 into 1 plus 5, 4 plus 5 9. In place of n we will write 2. So we will get second term 8 plus 5 which is 13. Similarly in place of n we will write 3. So we will get 12 plus 5 which is 17. So the sequence which we obtained is 9, 13, 17 and so on. If we see over here, the difference is same. 13 minus 9 is 4. Similarly 17 minus 13 is 4. Difference is same, therefore it is an AP. So the difference is what? 4. Coming on to next question. The nth term of the sequence is 3n minus 2. Now we have to show the sequence is an AP. Is the sequence an AP, and if so, then we have to find its 10th term. Nth term, that means an is 3n minus 2. So a1 will be 3 minus 2 which is 1. a2 will be 3 into 2 6 minus 2 which is 4. a3 will be 3 into 3 9 minus 2 which is 5. a4 3 into 4 12 minus 2, that is 10. So this is nth term of the sequence. Now in this sequence if we write, therefore the sequence if we write it in order, so we will get the first term is 1, second term 4, then 9 minus 2 is 7, then 7, then 10. Over here if we see second term minus first term is 3, third term minus second term 3, fourth term minus third term is 3. Since the difference is same, therefore the given sequence is in AP. Now we have to find its 10th term. So in place of n we will write 10, we will get its 10th term. So we'll get 3 into 10 minus 2, that is 30 minus 2, which is 28. Now coming on to next concept, that is general term of an AP. Now as we know, A be the first term of the AP, D is the common difference of the AP. Then if we have to find its nth term, that nth term is given by A plus n minus 1 into D. This nth is only known as the general term of the AP. Let's suppose if I have to calculate first term, so it will be A plus 1 minus 1 into D, which is A plus 0D, it will be A only. The first term will be A. If you have to find its second term, it will be A plus 2 minus 1 into D, which will be A plus D. Similarly, third term will be 3 minus 1 into D, which is A plus 2D. Similarly, fourth term, A plus 4 minus 1 into D, it will be A plus 3D. So this is fourth term. Coming on to the question, show that the sequence is an AP. Then we have to find its 16th term and the general term. So the sequence is 9, 12, 15, 18 and so on. Over here if we see, A is 9, D, the common difference is 12 minus 9, which is 3. Similarly 15 minus 12, which is 3. Similarly 18 minus 15, which is 3. Since common difference is same, so it is an AP. Now we have to calculate its 16th term. So the formula for 16th term will be A plus 16 minus 1 into D. A is 9, 16 minus 1, which is 15, into D is 3. So over here we'll get 9 plus 45. So answer will be 54. Now we have to calculate its general term. So general term will be A plus n minus 1 into D. We'll substitute the values of A and D over here. The value of A is 9, n minus 1 into 3. So we'll get 9 plus 3n minus 3. So we'll get 6 plus 3n. So this is how we can calculate its 16th term and we can calculate its general term. Coming on to next question, over here we have to find which term of the sequence, that is 72, 70, 68, 66, which term is 40. So the question, so over here we'll write first of all A. A is 72, D is 70 minus 72, which is minus 2. Now which term is 40? That is this AN will be 40. So we have to calculate over here what? N. Putting formula, AN is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. AN is 40, A is 72, n minus 1 into D is minus 2. We'll shift 72 to this side, 40 minus 72, and here we'll get n minus 2n plus 2. So this 2 will be shifted over here. So we'll get 40 minus 72 will get minus 38. Similarly this 2 will shift over here. So we'll get over here minus 2 and this is minus 2n. Sorry, it will be minus 32. 40 minus 72 minus 32 minus 2 is equals to minus 2n. So we'll get minus 34 equals minus 2n. So n is equals to 17th. So 17th term of this sequence is what? 40. So in this video we discussed what is AP and what is the general term of the AP and how to solve the questions related to this concept. Hope you guys are finding videos helpful. So do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.